Alright guys, it's me again, and so, another exciting video. So, I am showing you guys today, well, apparently my feet right now. But, I will be showing you something that I think a lot of you guys haven't, seen or done in a long time, or I heard about. There is this, program on the Nintendo 3DS Lite, it's not the Lite, it's the other one. Yeah, so there is this program. It's called Sound. It is called Nintendo 3D Sounds. So when I first opened this, when I first got it, I thought, oh, it must be a music thing, but it isn't. It's actually where you create your own beats and music, but it's like voice, so it's a little weird, but it's still cool. So I made some a long time ago. Let's see how weird they were because it really sounds odd. And it's funny, so let's enjoy this. And I'm going to show you some of the cool ones I made first, and then I'll show you the funny ones, and hope you guys get a laugh out of this. So here we go. So here's my DS, red, yeah. And so this is kind of like the system memory, and that's kind of like how you do all your beats type things when you like push on one of the squares right here. Then it will just pop up, and you start clicking stuff. So let's try this one for a second. Alright, here's one. Wrong one. So that was one I created, so that was kind of like with robot stuff, so here's another one. No. So there's another one. See how it kind of sounds funky? Yeah, I know, it's weird. Now, as you saw there, that was, if that sounded kind of weird, a lot of these sounds kind of make it sound funky. So, it's still cool, but it's, like, interesting. So, but that was actually me humming, and then I put an effect on it. So, yeah. And then here's another one. Yeah, that was, yeah, cool. So I do that one. That's funny. That's always fun. Yeah, here's a good. Yeah, that's a classic. Now this one I thought was hilarious. So this was a funny one at the time because I was just listening to this over and over and over, and it was funny. So hope you guys enjoy this one. And tell me what this reminds you of. That's funny. And then, what I think it sounds like is Donald Duck, but like in a cussier kind of constipated mood, or I guess. I don't know. Anyway, okay. Okay, this one is a really good one, I think. And this was funny. This was on accident, but I left it anyway. So, yeah, it's funny. So, here.
What the heck is in my mouth?
Now imagine watching that like millions of times, and it gets funny after another. So yeah, and so those are all the ones I made, and I kind of customized it, and there's all kinds of cool stuff. But it's old, but I just thought I took a look at it and take this video. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. But I think we need to hear that Donald Duck impression. I can't get enough of that. That's funny. Alright, and this one again.
What the heck is in my mouth?
Great. Anyway, well, that's the video for today. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, see you next time. Bye. Oh, and also don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe please. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.